Welcome to Energizer AI, harnessing AI and NFTs for sustainable income. Disclaimer: Energizer AI does not make any guarantees of future income or success. Results are based on individual efforts and successful membership enrollments to access Energizer AI offered services. What is Energizer AI? It is a project created to educate and empower people in the AI, NFT, and travel industries. It has a lucrative and generous compensation plan with no caps, paid instantly and monthly, a global reach of 200 plus countries available in 36 languages, and decentralized smart contract. We started this journey in March of 2024, and between March and September, the AI built out and the compensation plan have been already integrated within our smart contract. Between October and November of 2024, we've pre-launched residual income and implemented it. December 2024 launched Project 1000 and $15,000 promotion, live webinars, and the Elite Circle Guide. The live webinars are available as you're watching them right now. We are looking forward to April 2025, where we are hosting our very first Elite Circle qualifier trip and escape trip in Cancun, Mexico. July 2025, European official launch in London, in the UK. In August of 2025, our Asia official launch, which to be determined based on the market conditions in what country actually becomes the epicenter of Energizer AI. And October 2025, our second Elite Circle qualifier in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. There are three emerging industries. NFT. According to CryptoSlam, the total NFT sales volume in over $65 billion, with Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin being the top blockchains for NFT traders. The global non-fungible token or NFT market is expected to reach $152, that is $152 billion by 2030, growing at an annual growth rate of 34.2% from now till 2030. So you are in the beginning of a financial revolution. AI. The global artificial intelligence market size was valued at $638 billion in 2024, and it is projected to hit around $3.6 trillion by 2034, representing a solid annual growth rate of 19.1% from 2024 to 2034. Again, another revolutionary moment that you are experiencing right now. In the next 10 years, we are growing from 638 billion to $3.6 trillion. If that has not caught your attention, just ask your Alexa or Siri. They'll tell you a whole lot about AI. Last but not least, travel. Travel and tourism is the second largest industry in the world. The global tourism market was valued at $12.4 trillion in 2023, and it is expected to reach a whopping $23.1 trillion by 2032, again, expanded at an annual growth rate of 5.4% during 2024 to 2032. Again, three emerging industries that will set you up and generations to come forever and ever. So what is NFT? It is a non-fungible token that represents ownership of a unique digital item like art, music, or even virtual real estate. It is one of a kind, unlike regular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are identical to each other. They are called coins for a reason. But each NFT is unique and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. They're hosted in a blockchain. NFTs are built on a blockchain technology, which is secure digital ledger that verifies ownership and authenticity, making it nearly impossible to forge. You can buy, you can sell, or trade your NFTs on various online marketplaces, just like physical collectibles. Remember when we used to collect sport cards, Pokemon cards, and then we sell them or we trade them? Some of you still are holding on to them and they're worth a lot more than they were back then. Same thing. It's only now virtual. And of course, the creative monetization. See, artists like DJs and public speakers can earn money through NFTs by selling their work directly to buyers without needing intermediaries like galleries or agents. These are AI-generated NFTs with exclusive, one-of-a-kind, unique NFT categories, such as exotic cars, fantasy oceans, ocean collections, farmhouse collections, beach houses, celestial bodies, urban skylines, adventure trails, and cosmic exploration. And every NFT is uniquely numbered for your collection. You can collect, you can sell, you can gift, you can own them, and you can give them from a peer-to-peer perspective. So let's harness the power of AI with Energizer AI. Let's talk about the next 9 pieces that are important for you to make an educated business decision. Number one, revolutionary income system. Energizer AI leverages artificial intelligence to create sustainable, transparent income opportunities globally. Number two, seamless rotation and earnings. AI automates upgrades and rotations, unlocking continuous income across 3 levels. As the community grows, so does your income. Number three, secure and sustainable. The Energizer AI manages to ensure long-term platform security and profitability. This should be the utmost highest priority for you and I. We don't want to restart something else in 3 to 6 months. We want to be here forever. Number four, zero risk, unlimited earning. With a one-time either $49 NFT or $129 payment towards an NFT with a 90-day money-back guarantee, you have everything to gain and nothing to worry about. Number five, NFT powered wealth. See, NFTs unlock lifetime income opportunities across multiple earning sections. You are looking at us right now at an early stage where we're talking NFTs. In the future, there will be trading bots, there will be virtual real estate, and so many more opportunities. And you are embedding yourself in the foundation of Energizer AI. Let's harness the power of travel. I'm sure you would agree with me. If I give you an ability to make money and travel the world, you would love that lifestyle. Well, welcome to Energizer AI. You will be given a light travel portal. Think of it as your own booking platform. You get to save up to 35% on travel compared to major booking sites. You're also going to have access to unlimited dream vacation certificate for yourself or to grow your business. Imagine a 7 night, 8 day dream vacation that is worth $5,400 for just paying your taxes. That's right. Couple of $100 and you got the very same 7 night, 8 day dream vacation. And guess what? You have over 3,000 destinations available to choose from. You just pay your taxes and fees and save thousands of dollars. Yes, you can use them as many times as you want. Yes, you can give them away as many times as you want. See, by giving them away, you can influence behavior. You can tell somebody to come and watch this very same video, and in exchange, if they do, they get a vacation. This will help you transform your business to a whole new level. You get to also access escape trips. These are trips that we are creating and hosting for you. What's included is a host in the moment that you arrive with a welcome from the airport all the way until you get back into your plane. A private check-in so you don't have to wait in any lines. Welcome reception so you feel like the rock star you are. Discount on excursions should you want to be in the beach. Farewell party to remember with a lot of smiles and sometimes happy tears as well. This is all available to you for a one-time $49 or $129. Now let's talk about the 4 ways that are able for you to earn. You can get paid instantly and you can get paid monthly. Let's talk about how you get both. Rotation direct bonuses, NFT commissions, recurring re-entry direct bonuses, monthly revenue pool. Let's talk about those. Maximizing the compensation plan starts with a one-time payment of $49. We call that the Ignite NFT Access, or $129. This allows you to start with a higher value NFT and higher income as well. And by the way, you can earn all the way through all 4 platforms, whether you start with the 49 or the 129. We call this first time out of pocket, everything else out of profit. Let me show you what I mean. To maximize each platform, you can purchase up to 1 NFT per platform per wallet. Ignite. The rotation direct bonus is paid instantly. So Ignite has 3 sections. Each section generates 3 payouts with 1 rotation per section. You get to earn from the global community for every 2 ambassadors that enroll after you. Again, for every 2 ambassadors that enroll after you. which means the earlier you are in the system, the earlier you get to take advantage of the rotations. You can earn your way to a total of $112 per completed cycle of rotations, or 4 payments of $28. I'm sure you would want to see an illustration. Here's the first illustration. The very first section with one rotation or 2 ambassadors that came after you, $28. It automatically upgrades you to section 2. 2 more ambassadors, $28. And then section 3, 2 more ambassadors, but this time it's 2 payments of $28, or a total of $56, creating a total of $112. Now imagine you started with $49 and you made $112. I'm no math major, but that tells me that you are in profit. This is called the 1x2. Here's another illustration of the Ignite entry point. Let's say I get started today. I enroll the first person. I make $28. Now, whether I enroll or someone else enrolls the second person, it automatically upgrades me to section 2. So here's the thing. Section 2, whether I or someone else enrolls one person and it falls with the AI under me, that's $28. Guess what? Second person comes in, a re-entry onto, you guessed it, section 3. The next person that comes in, 28, and the next person that comes in, another 28. And this is a completed rotation. This is what we call the 1x2. Imagine some of us are going to be recycling every hour, and sometimes many times in the same hour, just because of the momentum that we are all creating as a team. That is a total of $112. Now, here's the thing. You can take the $112 and go out and have dinner with the family, or I'll use $49 of it, and guess what? Re-enter again and do 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and create another 112 and keep on creating the same exact momentum. Platform 1 is the same exact concept, the same exact 3 sections with the same exact 3 payouts in 1 rotation with the same exact 2 ambassadors, but one little difference. Instead of $28, we're talking $75. Section 2, another $75, and section 3, $150 for a grand total of $300. Now, again, 1x2 applies whether it's Ignite or Platform 1. I get started. Next ambassador that falls in my organization, I just made 75. Another one automatically qualifies me to section 2. Another ambassador that comes there, another 75. Another one qualifies me for section 3, and so on and so forth. Another one creates 75 and another 75. So now my $129 NFT generated $300 with a full rotation. Now you can take that to the bank or re-enter with another 129 and create another 300. Or in many cases, you can take that 300 plus the other ways that you can get paid and start a platform 2 entry. $329 NFT. Guess what? Instead of 75, it's 190, 190, and 380 for a total of 760. I'll take that 760. I can re-enter at $329 or go to platform 3 and get a $729 high value rare NFT. And now section 1, $425, section 2, $425, section 3, $850 for a grand total of $1,750. Now let me give you another example. I can take that $49 NFT Ignite, and if you notice with that 112, with other ways that I know I'm getting qualified, I'll have a little more than $129. I'll use $129 that I made, and I will enter into platform 1 and go full cycle. I'll take that 300 plus the other ways that I have available to make money, enter platform 2, 329, 760. I'll enter platform 3. And with $49, I can create $2,872. First time out of pocket, everything else out of profit. Now keep in mind, the more you refer, the faster and the bigger you earn. But the less you refer, the less or least you're going to make. Now, I'm not trying to say it's in a negative. I'm just letting you know so I can manage your expectation. We are entrepreneurs. We're not just going to buy $49 and say, I'm going to make $1 million next week. It's business. He or she who works the most will make the most, of course. NFT commissions are paid instantly. So remember what I said, there are other ways you get paid. Anytime I refer anyone, whether Ignite, Platform 1, Platform 2, or Platform 3, If I am the enroller, I'll make either 3, 5, 15, or $25. My sponsor will make 2, 3, 9, or 15, and their sponsor also would make 1, 2, 6, or 10, 3 levels going up. At a re-entry point, that means somebody did a full cycle and they start all over again. I get paid all over again as if I just signed them up for the very first time. Again and again and again and again. First time out of pocket, everything else out of profit. The only thing that I will ask of you is consider your strategy and let's work hard. Let's work together to build this community. There's also monthly revenue pool. See, the monthly revenue pool is he or she who refers more earns more. And we call this the elite circle. See, if you just enroll 2 individuals, you enter a commission pool that is shared with the whole community of 1% every month. So if you have just 2 referrals, congrats, you're getting that 1%. Ignite, 10 people referred, there's another commission pool for people who only have 10 or more. That's another 2% that is shared. How about Surge? The very, very many more who are only going to have 40 personal referrals. That not only qualified you for the Spark 1%, the Ignite 1%, but now you're also sharing the pool of 1% for everybody who has a minimum of 40. Now we're coming to the elites. Momentum, 80 personals, that's another 1%. Legacy, 150. This is going to be the very select, the brave, the few, the legacy, right? 150, that's another 1%. Now imagine it's going to be less than 10% of company growth that individuals who are going to have the 150. That means 1% of all companies going to be shared between a very select few individuals. That's going to be a lot of moolah. Okay, so an additional 5% can commission pools that is available for you. He or she refers more, earns more. And that by default qualifies and gets everybody to have their rotations. Now, we like to put our money where our mouth is. December to remember is a promotion of $15,000. You heard that right, 15 USD that is available to the top 10 enrollers for you right now. First prize, $5,000. Second prize, $2,500. Third, fourth, and fifth individually would receive $1,000. Sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th, $700. Now, there are some who are going to say, well, I'm not a top enroller. I don't think I'm going to qualify. Well, don't discount yourself because you can do it. But I will tell you this. If you just enroll a minimum of 3 personals, and it can be your brother, your mother, your sister, just 3 people in your own house with their own cell phones, guess what? You now qualify for a random drawing of $1,000. So whether you want to just participate for a random drawing or you want to control your income, let's go ahead. There's $15,000 for grabs. Who's going to get it? Now, we talked about 1,000 people earning $1,000 or more per month. We call that Project 1000. That's our driving force. That's what makes us motivated and excited. Make sure you connect with us in our social media assets. And there are a lot of shareable items that you can tag, you can add, you can share with individuals. And it's all available to you right now. So get started today. Collect NFTs, harness the power of AI, and travel the world with an Energizer AI community. Join us today and start building your financial future in a community dedicated to your success. Get back to the person who shared this video with you and tell them, get me started. I am ready to change my family tree forever.